Go. So
Yeah, you don't
for
have enough.
today's video, we're gonna
Hey viewers!
so
You
for
got the
today's
flashlight good.
video-
We're gonna get the egg first.
Yeah, so we have to
Yeah, we're
pack
gonna
up,
get the egg.
yeah, and we're gonna
Alright,
pack
let's
up
go.
all our stuff.
We're packing up.
Not right now, cause I'm packing up
we have
my
to pack up
stuff.
first.
I'm packing up.
Me too. And then
Pack up.
Don't steal these. These are mine. I got rockets in my backpack. Okay?
Alright, I got
Got
enough
rockets in my
stuff. I got a tablet, I got a rocket, and that's it.
I got 2 rockets in my backpack.
I need to get everyone get a flashlight because someone might die.
This is all I have.
okay.
I have a big flashlight, 2 rockets. That's all I have. A big flashlight and 2 rockets.
I got a backpack, I got a rocket, and I got a flashlight, and I got a tablet. Let's go.
I got a big flashlight, got 2 rockets and a backpack.
Okay. Like I did with my friend Cody and Ava. Cody's on holiday for
Come on, guys.
11 days, so he won't be
We
on
need to get the egg.
for most of the videos. So let's
Get
go
the
with
egg.
some other people because Ava's not on the line yet.
Come on, let's get the egg.
Yeah, we're gonna get this, mate.
Yo, slow down.
I'm on the bridge. I'm gonna get the egg right now.
Okay, so
Yeah, I'm
somebody has to be the distraction, and then somebody goes.
Yeah,
and
I'll be it.
And wait, in case somebody is gonna die, we have to put our backpacks.
I've never
somewhere
been
safe.
here. Wait, he'll be the distraction. You be the distraction.
Okay, now after.
I'll get the egg.
Oh no! I'm dying! Guys, get the golden egg!
No, it's in time.
I died. No, just in case some people die, we have to go back and get our stuff.
The egg is there. I'm coming to get my backpack. I can't get the egg. I'm coming right now. I'm right next to you. I'm gonna be behind you. I'm coming right now. I'm right behind you.
I think it fell.
It can't fall.
Well, it can fall.
It's still here. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but we don't know what the egg is. There.
Grab it! No!
Wait, did you get the egg?
He threw the bat. He threw it. He threw the egg out the map.
Oh my.
So, just in case we die, let's leave our backpack somewhere.
Someone get my backpack for me.
Yeah, I got you.
Someone join our game, y'all. Hey, is that yours? Is that y'all? Someone is in our game.
Okay.
Yo, I got your backpack. Yo, I got your backpack, dude.
Don't put your backpack next to my backpack.
Y'all come over here. I'm right next to. Where are you? I'm right behind you.
Somebody has to be the distraction.
Yo, I got your backpack. I have your backpack.
You have my backpack?
Just leave it.
Be the distraction. Wait, I got an idea, guys. You don't have to be the distraction.
I need my backpack. Who got my backpack?
Wait,
It's over there.
Can
It's
you
over there. I'll show you where it is.
No, I'm gonna
wait,
get
don't.
the egg.
That's my backpack.
Oh, this is yours?
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's okay.
Throw it to me.
Oh my God, right here.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Leave your backpack here so it's safe.
Anybody have a
I'm gonna be
grenade?
this extractor.
Where's the egg?
backpack.
Wait, empty yours, empty yours. Empty yours. Empty yours.
But it's my bag.
Empty yours.
I
Just
will add
empty
to mine now.
Hmm.
This
Empty
is not
yours.
my backpack. Mine has stuff.
Just empty. We'll have to go back and... We'll have to go back and I'll
It's
buy...
fine, it's fine, it's fine. I think I can get it again.
Wait, no, I have enough to... I don't...
Wait, could
He's back on it.
What?
You be
Yeah, I'm
distraction.
gonna
You
just
be
get it.
dis-
Someone else
You
be
be
the-
distraction.
You run. Just run past it. Just run past it.
You be distraction and I'll grab him and then I'll run. Okay?
No,
Or one of you.
How about Green? Green, go do the distraction. You're the only one that has a backpack.
You have a bag.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You be distraction. I'll get it. Then I'll quickly run.
Then pass it to me, and then pass it to me.
I want to get it. Can I get it?
Pass it to me.
Yeah, I'll be the distraction. I'll be the distraction.
Okay, pass it to me.
Go. 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 Go.
It fell like you. He has the egg. He has the egg.
You got it. Can I get it? Can I put it in my backpack?
Wait. We have to put it for
Put it in
money.
his backpack.
Drop it.
We need it for money. It gives us a lot of money.
Guys, let's act like it's food.
Yeah, let's have
Food. Give me food. Give me food. Why does it taste like concrete?
I don't know.
It tastes like concrete. Run as fast as you can.
Backwards. Yeah. Hold on, can we share the money, y'all? We have to get in, right?
No, you just drop it in. Drop it.
I
Drop
can't.
it. Drop it.
I can't just kill.
Drop it.
Wait, don't yet. I have to keep my backpack here real quick.
Yeah, keep it there so it... There.
Okay, get me.
How much money?
We don't know.
Oh! You!
Okay, I need my backpack now. We're rich.
Yo, I have enough to buy my stuff again.
Let's go get an egg again. Guys, let's go get the egg. Yo, everyone. Oh, backpack?
Wait, if we get the items that were next to the chicken and don't let it catch us, we can get more money from the loot over there.
I'm gonna.
We need more money.
I'm going, guys. I'm going.
Yes, guys, let's go.
Wait, guys, don't leave. I can sell these 2 backpacks.
We're going back to get the loot, so we'll come back for you.
Yeah,
Just,
we're going
if
to
you
get
want to
loot.
stay there, stay there.
Yeah, just hurry up and do it.
Okay,
Yeah,
then
I'm gonna use this rocket to go in there.
probably use that. Oh, he gave us more money from something.
Oh!
That was way too fast.
Alright, let's get it.
Wait for me. Guys, where are you going?
Ah!
We're at the chicken again.
Where are you going?
Help! Help! Oh, we didn't die. I don't think I did.
Where are you guys?
I'm gonna hold this. He's
Yo, where
stuck.
are you guys?
I think he's stuck.
Are you back at the Where are you? Yo, I see you guys.
The other person died. Now his backpack's
Oh.
down there.
Oh.
You're
I have 2 rockets in my backpack.
That'd be useful.
Yeah, that could be useful. Yeah! dinosaur?
Yeah.
Oh, is someone
Yeah,
here? Where's the dinosaur? By the way, your backpack fell.
I think you know that.
Yo! Your
What's
backpack fell.
I know.
It's on you.
We have to get more
see-
of the loot.
I see some gear. I see some gear.
Grab the big banana.
Coming!
Grab the loot. Hurry.
Keep me distracted!
Hey, run! Okay, I'm gonna keep this Stanley Cup. Okay?
You can't pick it up. Yes! Close it.
Dude, what are you? What are you, dude? Yeah. What are you?
I think we died.
I'm buying a backpack. Are you back at spawn? Yeah, I am.
It's still crazy.
Oh, if it's...
It's coming.
Run!
Come back.
We can't. I think we can.
No, I'm talking to the other guy.
Okay. This is
Dude, come back to the dinosaur. Do it to me.
Yeah.
Just look down in real life and shake your head while you're looking down. Yeah!
Why did this game add booty cheeks?
I'm sorry, like it.
I
Where's
don't know
that?
why.
Dude, where's the dinosaur? The
It's
cell.
on you.
I'm right. Behind you.
What?
Yeah!
You saw
Yo! Yeah? Got a gap? I know. Wait, guys, if it's sitting down means it's laid another egg.
If it's
Sitting down. No.
no.
We gotta leave him for a little bit.
You already
took my big
egg.
Go. Don't worry, I got a big Coca-Cola. So we can go back and sell it.
Wait,
We can go back and sell it.
you go sell the Coca-Cola. I'm going to check
Okay.
out the monster.
Yeah.
Where are you? Yeah. Where's orange? Oh, I'm gonna sell this big Coca-Cola. Yo, I'm just gonna sell this big Coca-Cola, okay?
Ew.
Yeah. I failed you. I failed.
Oh, did you guys sell something so quick?
Now come back to school.
But I'm waiting for you. But I'm waiting for you guys to get some more things. I want some more loot to like sell. Please, can we get some more loot? That's very loud. Please go.
His hand is stuck next to the machine. His hand's free. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I don't got that much money. Can you buy me something?
Okay, sure. I will go buy. I'll buy you something.
Flash.
And a tablet.
Okay, tell me what you need when I'm at the spawn. Tell me what you need. Okay.
Yo, my hand!
Why does my hand keep? Okay, come here. I'll tell you.
Come in.
My hand keeps like...
I'm almost at the destination.
I see you.
Hi.
I just want a tablet, and that's it.
It's not a tablet. It's an X-ray thingy.
Yo, a tablet. I don't have enough.
Yeah, I want
Let's go
to
to the... Guys, let's go to the dinosaur and see if we can get its egg if it's sitting
Let's
down.
go. Let's go to the cave.
I'll give you a tablet.
No, let's.
Guys, we need to go to the dinosaur, get its egg, because it's worth so much.
Hold on, I need to wash my face. I'm sweating. Hold on.
Yo, I'm trying to play some
back.
Fortnite right now. Yo, I'm trying to play some
Let's go.
Fortnite.
Let's go to the caves.
Hold on. I got the iPad. I have the iPad.
Okay, wait. Can we get
to
to
the
the
chicken
later. Yeah, we'll go to the chicken later because later he might, or he or she might.
It's a sheep.
Yeah, we can
It's
do
a
it.
Yeah,
Let's
because it lays an egg.
Alright,
Let's go to the dinosaur.
It's more harder. Oh, never mind.
Never mind. Let's go to the dinosaur. After this,
Okay.
there's more stuff over here. There's more stuff next to the red light, green light thing over here.
There's one on top of the hill.
Why can't I not
Flashlight,
just go to
please,
that one?
flashlight.
Get the big
Don't have one.
flashlight. You don't have a big.
I
flashlight?
don't have enough. I bought you a flashlight.
I got it.
Yo, I'm on. Yo, how we play?
Stop moving.
Yo, I can move there.
Go.
Give me
I
that
need a
baby.
banana.
Yo, this is not funny.
Run! Run!
Ah! Run!
Run back, run back. No, come on.
Never mind. Go.
Let's go to the dinosaur now.
See if it's laid
Its egg.
Wait. Put it in your. Put your stuff in your backpack.
Yeah, I have a ruby. I have a ruby in my backpack.
Can I have the ruby?
I have gold. I have gold. That's probably gonna give
We
us a
have
lot of money.
But we have to see if it's laid its egg.
Yeah, we do. Oh shoot.
If it's sitting down, means it's laid its egg. No, I don't see it moving.
No, it's
Oh.
moving.
But we still have store. We still have.
Let's go to the red light, green light. Oh, actually, never mind.
Let's
Someone
go
get the
to
stuff.
store.
Not
Someone
me.
get the stuff.
I'm not it.
Let's go.
Let's all go. Let's all go. Let's all go.
All right, yeah, let's all go.
Maybe somebody could
Whoever's
be.
getting chased, just go back to safe place over here. I'm trying to get that bottle.
Ah!
I think it's chasing me. Yeah, it's chasing me.
Hey guys, you stay here. You stay there. You stay here with the other guy. I go sell the things.
Dude, I believe
Dude,
it's
Stay there.
coming.
back, dude.
Stay there.
Dude, it's coming back.
Just stay there.
Your backpack. Oh, I left it over there. I left it over
There,
there.
next.
I need to like sell the things at the safe place. It's very nice.
Yes.
fell. He fell. Yo, my backpack is still over there next to the dinosaur. Where did you die? Green, did you die because I see a green person right
No,
here?
I accidentally dropped all my stuff,
Yeah.
but don't put it in the Stanley, because that's what I'm selling.
Guys!
Guys, I'm here.
Yeah, we're here. Oh, banana.
No,
Yo, guys,
no,
I just
it's what
need
I'm
a-
selling. It's what I'm selling.
Oh.
We need to sell the Stanley and this, because that's what.
Oh,
Guys, I have a ruby. Guys, I have a ruby.
Put the ruby in.
Just in case they explode.
yes!
Oh, hail the king.
Yo,
how much? Yo, that's a lot.
That was the Stanley Cup. That was the cup.
Alright, let's go.
Yo! The diamond. That was all of it. That was all of it. There's no more over there.
Let's go.
No, let's go get my backpack I left over there.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, come on. Come on, dude. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah, why?
Come on. I know, I was sweating.
Wait, guys, stay here for a sec.
Wait,
Sit down.
I need to go get a drink real quick. Wait.
No, no. Yeah, backpack.
I know. I need to run for it, but he's right there. You
How about you distract him?
Distract him.
Get it. Yes. Run back. Run back.
Oh.
No. Yo, guys, I'm almost dead. I'm almost gonna die.
I'm almost gonna die.
Guys.
No.
You're almost gonna die?
No.
Oh, what?
You said you're almost
Look, he's almost gonna die. Look. Look, he's right there.
Guys, help!
Oh no!
Try to jump over here.
I can't.
No!
No.
I'm fine.
Yeah, let's go. You can jump right there. No.
There might be a corner! Wait, in
Yes.
there! Yay!
Yes. I'm gonna go get a Stanley Cup.
We need to sell the Stanley Cup. Somebody has to be strapped.
I'm keeping my backpack safe. I'm keeping it there.
No way. No.
Come on!
Guys, I have a Coca-Cola.
Come on!
I have a Coca-Cola.
We have to sell
guys.
those!
No, give me it back.
We have to sell these. Come on.
Give me it back. I'm gonna put it in my backpack.
Then we have to sell it.
Give me it back. I'm gonna sell it. Give me it.
Guys, I got a Coca-Cola bottle.
Okay, we have to sell them.
Nice Coca-Cola bottle. I got a big one. Y'all wait for me. I need to wipe myself. No. Nah, I'm just kidding. Come on. Are y'all waiting for me? Are y'all waiting for me?
Yeah.
I'm just at the sound machine.
Just in case it explodes, I'm standing back. Y'all, I'm gonna dump out my backpack and we'll see how much stuff there is. Yeah, it might explode though. Look.
Oh my! Yeah, we have to
big
sell
Coca-Cola.
all these.
Can't pick this Stanley Cups up. Yeah, I'm standing standing back just in case. But guys, I didn't put my Coca-Cola bottle in there.
That was all of it. Put your Coca-Cola.
My stuff. My stuff.
Get your stuff.
Yo, my rockets. My rockets. No, my rocket. Guys, my rocket.
What?
Why does my rocket? It's in there. Wait.
Oh no.
Wait,
Let me buy you one.
Wait, let's see how much.
Yo,
Just
$80. We got
rocket
so
in
much
here.
money. I got $392 right now.
What?
I got another
Yo, let's go
rocket.
get more stuff from the cave.
Got an iPad, so I can play some Fortnite.
My Oculus is about to die. 20%.
So we, yeah.
That's enough.
But when
let's go to
it's 5%, come here and sell all your stuff.
Does someone have a flashlight?
Oh.
Yeah,
I can buy one.
I have
Where do you guys
one.
want to go?
To the mountain.
What mountain?
This mountain over here.
Oh, that's the red light, green light place.
Yeah, but we can still see.
Yeah, he's just.
As long as we know where it is. So. Yo, wait until it's green.
It's green, it's green, it's green. About to be red.
Wait, stand still.
Run for it, run! The monster's right here.
I'm not in it. So
God, I'm not in his sight.
if you stay right here, you're not in its side.
There's a monster in there, y'all. We need a flashlight.
Yo,
Dad, I'll go back and get one. Okay, go.
I can't.
I'm gonna go.
No, my backpack. I know it's for another one.
Did y'all die?
Yeah, my backpack's gone.
No, I'm still. Oh. Don't buy a new backpack. Your backpack's still over there. I'm still. Bomb time. Bomb time! This is yours. Alright, let's go. I'll get a bomb. I'm going.
Yo, just got a
Are
flashlight.
you coming? Hurry up, y'all.
Yeah,
I'm coming. I just got a
flashlight.
Hurry up, y'all. One of y'all get a flashlight.
Okay, just got all my stuff.
I'm good. Get a big.
But if one of you guys have my backpack, if one of you guys have my backpack, just sell it.
Monsters right now.
Sell my other backpack. Guys, sell my other backpack.
I see one of y'all.
Yeah, somebody has to sell my backpack.
For what? For what?
Money. We have to sell my backpack and my items in there.
Alright, let's go, guys.
We got light.
Let's go sell my items in my old backpack.
Hold on, and a little bit. I need to get my backpack up here.
Yo, who moved?
I don't know.
Yo, what?
Yo! What?
That didn't work.
Go.
Wait. Go! Just run! Just run! Just run.
I'm going to sell.
But not
In its side.
I'm going to sell a backpack I saw.
Yeah, we sell in the store.
Guys, I'm going to sell a backpack I saw.
Alright.
Did you take the big flashlight?
flashlight, bro?
No, I didn't even buy it.
Okay, hopefully it's right.
Why'd you die? Why'd you move, dude? Don't take my backpack, bro.
Why'd you move?
Don't, please. Do you want my backpack? Oh, when it's red.
Don't move.
Is that mine?
Cause when it
Text you, I don't think that's me. I need my backpack. Let's go get it.
Well, I'm buying a grenade.
My backpack.
I don't have enough for.
Dude, I need help, y'all. I'm by myself over here in the mountains.
Wait, keep it
Don't
close.
come now. Coming?
Yo, your hands are stuck. Just put your hands up very high. One book. Like, ah. I was here and I was still
Yo!
Wait, let me like see if I'm gonna use this so much that it'll explode and it'll kill you, okay?
No.
Okay? Then you will be teleported all the way over there.
No, don't. My iPad, my thing though, my backpack.
Wait, no, we'll just fling. It's okay. Let me just put my... Wait. Do that. So mine's fine. Don't worry. He's stuck, so I'm just gonna use this so much that it'll... Dude! Okay? Move out the way! Yeah, my yeah.
Where's my backpack? Which one? Bro, which one's my backpack?
This one's mine, this one's mine. This one's mine!
Which one's mine?
Dude, that's mine.
I lost my backpack. You can go buy a new one.
It got flung somewhere. Wait, wait. Wait, we need this big flashlight. We need this big flashlight.
No, why are you taking it out? That's my flashlight, so that's mine. Drop it to me.
Need it though.
Give it to me. I'll put these in there. No, actually, we need this tablet. We need this tablet.
Yeah.
How much money? Yo! Alright, give me my flashlight. You can hold the tablet. You can hold the tablet.
Well, I already think I have one.
What's it called? I'm gonna wash my face.
Bro, stop washing your face.
Stop washing your face. Yo, I'm back.
Yo, I already had an iPad. No, my VR died.
Yeah, bro. I got 2 grenades.
His VR died.
Yeah, I got 2.
My VR's about to die.
Yeah, so sell all your items in your bag.
Get his stuff. Get his stuff.
Put it in the selling machine. But not yet. Not yet. I need to put this.
Dip the whole backpack in there. Alright, now dip yours in there. Drop the backpack in there too. Dip yours backpack in there.
Well, my backpack. My headset's not about to die.
Just dip it. So we can get money.
Okay.
Yes! That's good. Yeah, we're gonna get a lot of money.
might as well.
How much money? How much money? Oh my gosh!
We're rich.
Yo! We're rich! Alright, I'm gonna get off now. Bye, bro.
Bye. So this is the end of today's video. Bye guys.